This is family law attorney and mediator Bryan Ginter. I'm a licensed attorney for the state of California. In this video, we will be discussing briefly an introduction to estate planning. And so, first of all, let's talk about what estate planning is and why it's so important, including a couple of misconceptions about estate planning. So, many people think that estate planning is simply a will, and that a will addresses what happens to your property when you pass away. And that is incorrect. An estate plan actually addresses much more than just a will and much more than what happens to your property when you pass away. So for example, it also addresses what's called a nomination of guardians. So what happens to your kids? Who do you want to have take care of your kids in the event something happens to you, whether you become incapacitated or if you pass away? A durable power of attorney allows somebody to make decisions regarding your finances. And that occurs whether you become incapacitated or maybe you want somebody to have that authority in advance of you becoming incapacitated. An advanced healthcare directive allows somebody to make decisions regarding your healthcare. For example, what happens to your organs when you pass away? Or should you be giving life-sustaining treatment? So these are really critical and important decisions that I know people don't want to think about it. In fact, I think that a lot of people don't want to move forward with an estate plan because it is a morbid topic. However, directing where your property goes, appointing people that can care for your minor children in the event something happens to you, dealing with what happens to your health care, and also having somebody be able to deal with your finances is critically important in anybody's life. It doesn't matter how old you are. So for example, let's say you have, and a lot of times these things happen without any warning. Let's say somebody you care about, whether it's or even yourself, you get into a car accident. You don't pass away, but you are incapacitated for a while you get better. It is critically important that somebody be able to, for example, step in your shoes and pay your bills. Or let's say something happened to a family member, such as dementia, where an illness will get progressively worse, and you need to be able to do things as this person transitions into a worse health state. So for example, maybe you need to be able to sell that person's house. So there are so many things that an estate plan does that is much more than just a will. Now, as far as the documents themselves, I'm going to break the estate planning documents into what I deal with, and that is two different estate plan bundles. So the first one is a basic estate plan, and the second is an advanced estate plan. So the basic estate plan consists of a standalone will, a durable power of attorney, and an advanced healthcare directive. With an advanced estate plan, you have a couple of different documents. So the first one is a living trust. The second is a pour-over will. The third is a durable power of attorney. And then the final is an advanced healthcare directive. So hopefully that was a good introduction to basic estate planning, and we will have more videos being released to address those items in more detail. Thanks for watching and have a great day.